I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and let me ask you a simple question here, which you think and answer. My question is, do you think social media is good or bad? I mean, you're using YouTube, you're using WhatsApp, you're using Facebook, you're using Twitter, you are using Instagram. They're good or bad? And you know what answer I think is there for this question? Answer is both good and bad. Depends upon the user, how he's using it. Couple of years back, when first time I created my mail account, that is, I'm talking about 1999, Hotmail used to be there. First time I created my mail account, I had a bad experience. It was a lot of disturbing. I used to wait for somebody's mailing. I'm mailing somebody. Distraction used to be there. But after that, I realized that, okay, it's very useful. Can you think of not mailing today? You have Gmail account, you have Yahoo, etc. You have to mail today. Then, this Facebook came. And before that, Orkut used to be there. I don't know, very less people have heard about this Orkut. So that also used to be there. Then Facebook came. Then, WhatsApp came. When WhatsApp came, I never used WhatsApp earlier on my mobile, thinking it is a distraction, deviation. Luckily, 2 years back, we started pushing on YouTube, online education and WhatsApp. And today, thanks to that, during COVID, we are survived. And it is in because of that only that we are in position to mentor students. I used to have group discussions or interview offline, but now how to have that? I could not have interviewed people from Assam or Tamil Nadu offline all the time. But now at 8:30 in the evening, sitting in my room, I'm having group discussion on Zoom platform. So they are useful. Now what I realized is that all these social media, if you are using these for purpose, for career or for your purpose, obviously, like any technology, they have two edges. They have positive features, they are negative features. Like any technology can be used, can be misused. So my request is, let's use it. Now I've already extensively, I'm using WhatsApp, extensively I'm using YouTube, and now I'm feeling the need of use of Instagram also. Why? Because there are certain features, yes, there are certain features which are there on Instagram. Like if I feel like sharing a video which is very, very important video or motivational video or video telling you something, some information, immediately I want to make it and send it to you. That is not possible on WhatsApp, I suppose. That is not possible. I cannot wait for uploading on YouTube. I cannot mail it. So for that, I think sharing certain videos, informative videos on is possible on Instagram. And for that, I've started using it a couple of days back. I want to collaborate with you on that particular platform now. I have a request to make you that use these social media things for particular purpose so that your energy is properly channelized. Do not misuse it. Do not waste your energies, because there is so much deviation, so many distractions nowadays that many of the students are wasting their time also, because your time is limited. So if you keep on watching movies or something else on YouTube, or you are wasting your time in just getting interested into somebody's life, what is happening, where they're roaming on, around and all, that may waste a lot of time. I'm not saying that you don't do that. That is also part of your social interaction, social networking. But excessive social networking may not serve purpose. Sometime you have to do career networking also, and I'm here to have career networking with you. Social networking also you do somewhere else, but career networking and for collaboration for the career, I want that collaboration with you. So let me tell you this username, yourpedia_education, and name Dr. Vijender. You can join me, and this will be a career collaboration, and I will make sure this your collaboration will serve some purpose for you. It will help all of us. It will serve some particular purpose in the direction of career, and it will be career networking, small part of social networking. I hope my idea is clear. So let's collaborate, let's work together. Thank you.